This is a Lionel train car I got from eBay. This I have never seen before. So, and it was a good deal on it, so I grabbed it. I'll tell you what it was. Paper in here. And this is the original box that Lionel ships in. This is like a collector car or something like that. It's an auto carrier. It's a original Lionel box they ship it in. I'm not taking it out of the box. This is a R-Train commemorative edition auto carrier train, flat car. This I paid $25 for and $9.59 shipping. The reason why I bought it is because I think this is a collector model for some reason. Comes in the Lionel box. You got sellers selling this for $36.99, $14.77 shipping. $38.99, $14.77 shipping. One guy $76, $12.55 shipping. Another one $45. $10 shipping, $59. One guy $90, $15.85 shipping. And this guy topped them all, $117 and $11.45 shipping. He's asking for this car. So when I seen it for $25, I jumped on it. It was brand new in the box. So for $25, I got this car. Who knows if it's a collector item or what. But for that price, I couldn't pass it up. Go check eBay out. The number on it is 652024. That's the number of the car. So go check eBay out and see what they're selling them for. That's what we picked up. Not too bad of a deal.